In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow seller in Depop Vertical Bar 2026 Vertical Bar step by step. If you enjoy discovering new drops or want to keep tabs on a favorite shop, following a seller ensures their latest listings appear in your feed and makes it easier to come back to their page later. Start by going to Depop. You can open Depop.com in your browser or launch the Depop app. For the follow button to work, make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to look around. You'll see a search bar, categories, and a personalized feed. The goal is to get to the profile of the seller you want to follow, and the quickest path is through one of their items. Look for the seller that you want to follow. You can browse your feed, explore categories, or search for a style, brand, or keyword. When something from that seller catches your eye, you're ready for the next move. First, find an item that you like from that seller. It doesn't have to be something you plan to buy right now. Any listing from them will work for getting to their profile. Click on that item to open the item details page. This page shows you the photos, price, size, description, shipping info, and more. Once you are inside the item details, locate the seller information. This includes the shop name or username, usually near the top of the page or just above the description. Look for the seller's username. If you don't see it at first glance, scroll down a bit until it appears. It will be clearly labeled and often sits next to the seller's avatar. Once you find the username, click on it. That takes you straight to the seller's page where you can see their bio, reviews, and complete catalog. Once you are on the seller's page, look for the follow button and click on it. The button is typically near the top of the profile. After you tap it, it should change state, often to following, confirming that it worked. From now on, their newest listings are easier to find in your feed, and returning to their shop takes just a couple of taps. That's all there is to it. Head back to the homepage whenever you like and repeat the same process for any other shop you want to keep up with. Happy browsing and enjoy building a feed that's tailored to your style.